Morning. Where I have stopped in the last class, children? I have sent you the PDF of lesson 4. That is, what is the news? Right? I think you have written that PDF in a CW very neatly, children. If after completing 2 or 3 lessons, come to school and take a sign for that CWs. Okay. Then I have not completed the exercise in a textbook, children. Today I am going to start with that exercise. Okay. Before that, let me read complete lesson one time. One time ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, what's the news? ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೆಸನ್ ನ ಓದಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. After that, we will start with the exercise in a textbook. Okay. Take out your textbook, children. Page number 31 you have to open. Textbook ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Before reading this one, children, let me tell you one thing. While you are watching the videos, you have to sit with a textbook, related subject textbooks. Okay. Page number 31. Lesson number 4. What is the news? Mike, what are you doing? Newspaper. Sorry, I am reading the newspaper, Sammy. Do you read the newspaper? See here, children, which line I am going to read. You have to keep a finger on that line. Then only you will come to know how they are pronouncing everything. Okay. Newspapers are not for kids. Newspapers are for everyone. You are just like Antonio. Let me tell you how Antonio started reading newspaper. Okay, it's a small conversation between Antonio and his friends, children. Okay, actually when he was reading his friend was reading the newspaper, he asked him, why you are reading newspaper like that? But at the end of the story, that Antonio only started to read the newspaper. Okay. It is the summer holidays. Antonio sleeps till 11 o'clock every morning. His mother calls him, Mom, Antonio, wake up now. You shouldn't keep so much. You will waste your summer holidays. Antonio, Mom, just 5 minutes more, Mom, he said. Turn that page, children, page number 32. Mom is upset. She talks to Dad about Antonio. Mom, Antonio sleeps so much. He was wasting his holidays. Dad, I know, I have an idea that might help change his sleeping habits. Mom, really? What's that idea? Dad, we will make him read the newspaper. Mom said, reading the newspaper is a great habit, but how will that change Antonio's sleeping pattern? Dad, let's just wait and see. Next morning, Antonio is in the garden with the dad. He is playing around. His dad is reading the newspaper. Dad, Antonio, do you know there is a fun fair in the city? What's there in the city, children? Fun fair. Antonio, a fun fair? No, Dad, I didn't know that. Where it is on? I want to go to it. Dad, you can't read about it. It's there in the newspaper. Antonio, newspaper are not for kids. Dad ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ No, Antonio, newspaper are for everyone. Newspaper tell us what is happening around us. We learn new things from them. Antonio, can the newspaper tell me more about the fair? Dad, yes, it will tell you everything about the fair. Antonio, all right. I will read the newspaper and find out more about the fair. Antonio starts to read the newspaper. He reads about the fair, then he reads the comic section. After that, he reads different news stories about the city. When Antonio goes back to school after the summer holidays, he tells his friends about the things he has read. One by one, everyone in Antonio's class started to read the newspaper. Okay. I think you have understood this lesson, children. What happened in this story? There was a conversation between the mom, dad and his son, that is Antonio. Okay. That Antonio was spending his whole holiday or a day in sleeping itself. So that his mother got very upset for that. Suddenly she informed to his husband that he is spending his holiday in sleeping itself. So you have to take on action. Don't know what you will take, like that she said to her husband. Suddenly that without getting angry, that father got a thought in his mind. I made him to read the newspaper 2 hours or 1 hour like that. Suddenly, accidentally, the one small in a conic section there was a small ad came about the fun fair. Okay, as usual, as his children are very happy with the fun fair, that Antonio was also very happy to get an attraction towards the newspaper. His maybe that his father told him that you have to read a newspaper, there was a fun fair like that in the city, if you want more information about it you have to see in that newspaper, like that. By telling this, his father diverted his mind towards the newspaper. Okay, at the end of or after few days or after 2 days he started to read the newspaper. Then after spending the vacation and holiday he went to his friends and said that what you have done, Anthony. If everybody asked them, he said, hey, I used to spend my holiday in a newspaper. Then there was some conic section was there, some interesting chapter is there related to that to students and children. I have enjoyed the newspaper, like that. He used to tell in front of the that friends. Okay, that it shows that children we should also read the newspaper. Then only we will come to know whatever is happening around us. ಓಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ರು ಬರೀ ಅವ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಬರೀ ಮಲಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇವ್ನು ಬರೀ ಅವ್ರ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನ್ರಿ ಇವನು ಬರೀ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಟೈಮನ್ನು ಬರೀ ಮಲಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವನು ಇದನ್ನು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವರಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ನು ಮಲಗೋದಕ್ಕೂ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗೂ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವರಪ್ಪ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓದೋಲ್ಲಿ ಫನ್ ಫೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವನು ಹಾಂ ಪಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಏನು ಎಂತ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದು ಅಂದರೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ಸಾ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೇ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಬರೀ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದು, ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಓದು, ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಓದು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಓದಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ false children, it's absolutely correct what I am telling. There is a session regarding the children itself. Okay, you have to go through with that. Okay, it's about the newspaper. Shall we start the exercise, children? I have sent you the exercise in a PDF, but I have not made you to write this all the exercise in a textbook. In this class I am going to complete the textbook, children, of lesson what's the news. Okay, open your textbook. Already you have opened, children. In that page number 34 you have to see. Okay, first one, reading 1. In that reading 1 what they have given, children? What they have given? What is Antonio's mom upset? Why is Antonio's mom upset? Why she was upset, children? He is spending his holiday in a sleeping itself. Okay, he was wasting his holiday, so his mother became upset. Okay, what is dad reading? What he is reading? A book, a comic, or a newspaper? He is reading the newspaper. Tick mark for the newspaper, children. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆಂಟೋನಿಯೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಟಿ. ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಫನ್ ಫೇರ್. ರೈಟ್, ಫನ್ ಫೇರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಂಟೋನಿಯೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫನ್ ಫೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, what kind of things does the newspaper tell us? Newspaper ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? It's used to tell about the whatever is happening around us. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, look at the compound words, children. Write the compound word that can be formed of the words below. The first one has been done as an example. Okay, two words ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. Butter, it has also own meaning, children. That fly also has own meaning. We have to add this butter plus fly, butterfly. Okay. Let me write butterfly. Butterfly. Next, second one. Snow plus man. Snowman. Snow plus man, snowman. Okay, third one, jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jelly plus fish. Jellyfish. Okay, fourth one, letter plus box. Letter box. Letter box. Letter box. Okay, next fifth one, rain plus coat. Raincoat. Raincoat. Okay, it's a raincoat, children. See here, these two words, when we compound these two words, it became a meaningful word. Okay, butterfly, snowman, jellyfish, letterbox, and raincoat. What is the spelling of butterfly, children? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. S-N-O-W-M-A-N, snowman. Next, J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. Next, L-E-T-T-E-R-B-O-X, letterbox. Next, R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Okay, these are all what, children? Compound words. Next, write these all the words in a page number 35. It's first one, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay. Next, we will start with the grammar section. See here, children, you have an separate grammar class here, so I don't want to explain it much. Whatever they have given here in your textbook, just I am going to give you an idea. Okay. Articles. How many articles are there, children? I think you have heard these all the articles in the basic classes. Okay. How many articles are there? 3 articles are there. What are those? A, an, and the. Okay. See here. We use an with a word beginning with the vowel sound. They have given here about the importance of a, comma, an. Okay. A na ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, an ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Where we use an, children, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವರ್ಡ್ ವೋವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು? an ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ವೋವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆನರ್, ಆನರ್ ಓವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು? ಆನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅ ಟಾಯ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ is also a what here? Consonant. As usual we have to keep the a. A toy, t is also a consonant, as well we have to keep the a. Okay, next a hen, h, hen, a. Next an egg. Why we have used that an, children? That e starts with the vowels, right? So we have used an egg. Next, he is an aunt. A-U-N-T. A is a vowel. Before that we have to use an. Okay. Next, who waters a plant? P ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ನಾವು ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ we have to write here a, and like that. They have given some fill in the blanks. We have to keep their suitable articles. Okay, see here, we keep dash apple in dash basket. We keep an apple. Okay, an apple in a basket. It's the first one children. And ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ vowels ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ a. okay, so I have used the children and. Next a basket, a we have to write there. okay, second one, we put dash book on dash shelf. There is no consonants and there is no vowels and also there is no vowel sounds there children. So we have to there a na both the filling the blanks. A. Okay. Third one, we call dash doctor when we are ill. We call a doctor. Okay. D ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾದರೂ vowel ಇದೆನಾ? No. D ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು vowel sound ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? Doctor. No na. So we have to write there a. Fourth one, we eat dash egg in the morning. E started with the vowel letter children. So we have to write there an. Okay. Fifth one, dash orange grows on dash tree. And orange grows on a tree. Okay. Orange started with the vowel. Okay. And next we have to write there a. Okay. Next we will start with a comma. Comma means what children? When you are reading the languages or writing the languages, there is a punctuations are very necessary children. Punctuations andre full point to comma, exclamatory, interrogative ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? CH punctuations. Full point, comma, exclamatory. Okay. These we call as a punctuations. Okay. These are very necessary in the languages children. While you are solving the mathematics, however, that signs are important now, that plus, subtraction, like that. In English language also these are all very important children. Okay. When there are two or more than two items in a list, we use a comma separately. ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ, ರಹೀಮ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ಣ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ರಾಮ, ರಹೀಮ್ ಮೂರು ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮೂರು ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರ ನಡುವೆ ಏನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಕಾಮಾನ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಕಾಮಾ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? See here. There are spoons, forks and knives on the table. Okay. Continuously ಮೂರು words ಬಂದಿವೆ. Spoons, comma, forks, comma and knives, comma. ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಕಾಮನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. See here. ಸ್ಪೂನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಮಾ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಕ್ಸ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾಮಾ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೈಫ್ಸ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾಮಾ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಗ್ಸ್, EGGS, eggs, comma, toast, comma, milk. Okay. Third one, mother, boys, clothes, toys, comma, books, comma. Fourth one, black, comma, red, comma, green, comma. Fifth one, books, comma, notebooks, comma, pencils, comma. Okay, sixth one, cakes, comma, pastries, comma, cookies, comma. Okay, see here children. See here, these are some words came in the sentence children. ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿವೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಒಂದೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮಾ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫುಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಫುಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ sentence we are going to use a full point. Okay. I hope everybody have understood this class children. See here. Listening is there, this one. This is in this one. Okay, this is about the grammar part. I have completed all the grammar section or reading section in a textbook, children, and also have sent you the PDF also. I hope everybody have understood. Okay, then what homework I am going to give you? In the next class I am going to start with a new lesson. Okay, in the next class I am going to start with a new lesson. What is that? Now we will wind up the class with the homework. What homework I am going to give you, children? Complete CW. Complete CW means lesson number 1 ಇಂದ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. In the next class I am going to start with a new lesson. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Meet you in the next class. Have a nice day, children. It's a homework. ಏನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು? ಏನು CW ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ.